full attention and please be present inside this hall and enjoy this exciting topic coming up. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome with a big round of applause Mr. Mohammad Izaz Hussain, Managing Director from Amedix. A big round of applause to Mohammad Ji. Welcome to the stage, sir, and looking forward to a great session from you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Ejaz. I'm the managing director for the Amitex India Private Limited. So my topic is that challenges presently debt collection industry they are facing. How do I know that? I'm interacting with about more than 1500 collection agencies across India. So when I interacted, I have seen a lot of changes. Based on that, we have come up with a solution for debt collection industry. Problem: technology integration. Till now, I'm seeing in collection agencies, they are depend on the Excel sheets. They don't have any software that can give the live MIS reports or something. And they are getting them from bankers also in Excel sheet, their allocation. After getting their allocation, they are splitting into the parts and distributing to their agents, and they are making the card. Regulatory compliance. There is a less control in the over the third party collection agencies. Of course, NBFCs or bankers, they are very keen about their compliance, but in third party, they are not able to control it completely. Spam marking. If I say everybody can accept what I believe. Spam marking will affecting the debt collection or not? I think it is more important that people are making the simply, those who are defaulter, they're simply marking as a spam. At the same time, because of that, a lot of people who are seeing when they receive a call, they are simply seeing the red color of marking. Simply they are avoiding. Even a genuine customer also, they don't want to leave the call. And at the same time, customer engagement. Mostly people are avoiding the calls and emails and SMS also. Repetition management. Because of this unethical practicing by the third party people, they are abusing the customer in like anything. So where the control has to be done by bankers as well as NBFCs. As today HDFC Bank is having the complete control on that. They are allocating the allocation through a software, through their own software. They have the complete control on the calling as well as call recording, auditing purpose, everything. Now they recently introduced the number masking also. The agent cannot able to see the number also. Our solution is basically a SaaS cloud-based application which can be integrated, which has been integrated with the cloud telephony. Regulatory compliance. We are compliant with the all DOT as well as ISO certified, as well as we have the number masking, account number masking also. Customer engagement. We have introduced a concept that Pilot 50. Every agent will have a 50 numbers of pooling numbers. Whenever they are making the calls, randomly it will pick up another number for making a call. Repetition management. We have given a separate module that even NBFCs or bankers or a agency owner can have a complete auditing of each and every agent. What they have taken, how much resolution they have done, or what type of dialogue they have done with the customer, everything they can track themselves. Based on that, they can mark as a flag, they can raise a flag that red, black, like that, based on that. And spam marking. Right now we have partnered with the Truecaller to come back with the spam marking. Because we have the numbers, when we introduce our numbers, immediately within 3 days, all our numbers become a spammer, red color. Then we approach to the Truecaller, we have tied up with them, we have taken verified business call already. Based on that, it was increased about 30 to 40% call pickup ratio was increased. Product view. Our product has a comprehensive portfolio management, from credit card to personal loan to anything. Any portfolio management, agency to bank, they can adopt it. Automated allocation, complete automation allocation also based on the previous account which agent has been work on a particular automatically my system will be automatically allocate that previous account to the existing current month also. Real-time MIS report, live MIS report, complete P2P resolution, P2P past resolution, how much it is, how much paid resolution was there, everything live MIS report, anytime, any given moment, it can be shown. And as well as we have integrated mobile app also, which can be bring the coordination between the agent as well as field executive. Live MIS that location, they can take the feedback, they can take the selfies. Auto dialing C2C, we have complete auto dialing mode as well as C2C flexi dialer. At a given moment you can dial a lot of things. And performance evolution with the gamification. Every agent will have a pointing kind of system. If they achieve a P2P, they will get a 5 points up based on the whatever you want. At the same time, if they broke in the P2P, wrong P2P if you have taken, the system will be automatically broke the P2P. So if they got the P2P, they will get a negative points. This kind of gamification also introduced in this system. My main objective of to come this platform is actually to today's session is combating with the spam marketing. Actually, Truecaller is a leader. Because of that, whatever the cost we are making, simply people when make a spam, the genuine customer also is not lifting the cost. So how Truecaller is doing based on the their user if make the mark as a spam, it will simply say that it's spam. That's making a call for collecting is a spam. You can't agree, right? They don't have any practical system that to verify that really the call is spam or not. That is the most important. So my solution is that as Truecaller already introduced for the priority calling or this verified business caller, it is the same kind of thing. Collection industry or banking process, debt collection process should have a separate label so that we cannot get more connectivity with the customer. That's for the day. Thank you. If you have any questions, I will try to answer. Yes.
Thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for Mr. Mohammad Azaz Hussain, Managing Director from Amedix, for that wonderful session. Any questions? Please raise your hand and we'll pass on the mic. Yes. Sir, kindly to introduce yourself, your company, and the question specifically, just in the interest of the time, you can keep it to one.
I'm Dinesh Rana from the Modera Private Limited. I want to know from you that a field executive, when the customer doesn't pay so easily and the time has come to the field executive and he has to visit physically to a customer, and how do you be sure that field executive doesn't do his work properly? He collaborate with the customer, and
Yes.
they keep on, so they've been so much friendly immorally, and so the payment doesn't come so easily, and then the matter will go to the legal. How you be so sure? How you going to train the field executive so he does
My application, I am not saying that I am going to train it. We have a solution, that's all. In this, the field executive app will be, they have to take the, when they are taking the feedback, it will take the live location and they can have a feedback over there only. and we are not taking the live updates because it will cost more on the bigger on Google API. So that is the reason we are taking as a event based kind of thing.
Any other questions?
No.
Also, I would like to tell you that Mohammed Ji and the entire team of Ametex is present throughout the day. So please reach out to them and please do engage with them and learn more about their offerings for the industry. And also, specifically they would like to engage with you guys, help you out with the different solutions and products they have. So thank you, Mohammed Ji, for doing this. I would request you kindly still be on stage. And I would like to call on stage Rohit Chiku, founder and whole-time director from Abhiyan Capital. Rohit ji, if you could kindly do the honors of felicitating our expert speaker here. Please. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause once again. Mr. Mohammad Azaz Hussain, Managing Director of Ametex, on that wonderful presentation on addressing the challenges of debt collection, enhancing efficiency with smart DCM and combating spam marking. Thank you, Mohammed Ji, for doing the